what happens if you remove a CPU while your PC is running? I have no idea, so let's find out. As always, don't try this at home. This one is particularly dangerous because the CPU can get very hot, which is why I'm using tongs. As we fully unlatch the socket, we notice that the display cuts and the fan on the GPU stops. The CPU is removed, but at what cost? Placing the CPU back into the live motherboard doesn't seem to fix anything. Relatching the socket and bringing back the CPU fan, which continued to run this entire time, doesn't bring back the display or the graphics card fan. Upon a full system reboot is where we run into some issues. However, I was able to repair this to get it working as normal. What should we try next?